Hello, coming to you from my cell phone. So, I did these nails April 2nd. I did this hand and this hand, both on April 2nd. Um, I used and so did on April 2nd, and today is April 16th. So, about 2 weeks. I used the Beetles Peel Off Base Coat. I got this one to lift just a little bit. I used this cuticle pusher to wedge under here to lift this one up a little bit. This one had a little bit of lifting around the cuticle area anyway. I usually get lifting around my cuticle area simply because I think I put my product too close to the cuticle, so I'm still working on not having it as close to the cuticle. But yes, it has been 2 weeks. I used the Peel Off Base Coat. I have minimal lifting, and this one is the only one that I've been able to pry off just a little bit without hurting myself. This one is not budging at all. You can't really see under. Oh, hold up. You can't really see underneath these nails. Well, you can't see underneath these nails simply because they're polished. But I was able to pry and have a little bit of lifting on this nail. I used polygel with my Beetles Peel Off Base Coat. I'm still determined to get this Peel Off Base Coat to work. This one has a little bit of lifting, and I was able to pry that one up a little bit with that cuticle pusher. This has no lifting, at least not from what I can tell. This doesn't really have lifting either, and this doesn't have any lifting. So my plan is to use this along with, it's just probably not safe to put that up there, a little dropper, and try and pry these nails off. I will come back and show y'all how far I've gotten, but hopefully this works. I got this from Sally's like years ago, so it says 24 months, but it's been well over 2 years. But we will see. Wish me luck, you guys. Okay, so update. I got one off. Woohoo! So what I did was I saw on YouTube. Sorry, I'm doing this in my bed. But I saw on, oh, not get my foot in there. I saw on YouTube to do some warm water and some cuticle oil and soak for like 20 minutes. I have not been soaking for 20 minutes. That was the nail that I had initially got some lifting out of anyway. So yes, the cuticle oil and warm water is definitely helping. So let's see if I can get the rest of these off. I'm still struggling to get some more lifting on the thumb, but we shall see. I'm so excited. All right, so I think I have like 6 minutes left on my timer. I got off 2 nails. As you can see, I did damage my thumbnail a little bit more than I damaged my pointer nail, but you know, let's be real, I'm gonna damage my nails anyway. But I mean, there's no sensitivity. Usually after I soak nails off, I cannot do this because I can feel it and it's like a tingling sensation. I did rewarm up my bowl. This is literally my bowl that I use for nails. And as you can see, the steam coming from it. So I'm trying to let that cool off before I stick my nails back in there. But yeah, so 14 minutes and I got off 2 nails. So let's see how the rest of this goes. Okay, so it's been I'll say about 25 minutes. And I finally got well, it's been 25 minutes in all probably. And I got the rest of the nails off. Like I said, I do have minimal damage. To combat that, I'm probably just gonna probably like buff off the little ridge areas. And I'm not gonna do my nails until Saturday the 19th. So I'm probably just gonna put some nail polish on my nails just to help them strengthen themselves back up. But overall, I will say this time it was a success. I was able to save my nails. Those are the 3, and then I got the other 2 sitting on my dresser or on my nightstand. But I'm gonna take these out, and then I'm going to soak these off, and I will see how long it takes to soak these off. Alrighty, so I think I had about 9 minutes left on my 20-minute timer, and I have soaked all of my nails off. There they all go right there. And yet again, still minimal damage. No nail sensitivity. Usually when I soak my nails off, I can't even put my hand in like warm water. This water is still kind of sort of warm. And I can actually put my hands in here and it doesn't bother my nails. So, I will say this was a success with the Beetles Peel Off Base Coat. So yeah, you guys, I finally got it to work. Woohoo! Woo, woo, woo. And I was able to have my nails on for 2 weeks. Yay!